Will it be Dr. Garfield James, the man who ran on a PNP ticket before but decided to transform and become a member of the JLP? He ran in the local government election and he won and is now vying to represent the constituency at the national level and at the next general election. Or will it be the man who they say tried, tested, and proven? The man they refer to as Moreland Wilson. Will the people of Western Westmoreland go out in their numbers and support Wilson? Or will they go out in their numbers and support Dr. James? Your guess is as good as mine. I humbly suggest that you share this live and bring it up to a couple hundred, and then I will tell you which of the two I'll be going down there to in Westmoreland to support. I'll be going down there to knock on doors and to invite people to come out. I'll be a runner on Sunday. Who will I be running for? Your guess is as good as mine. But if you share the live, tell a friend, tweet a friend, phone a friend, and tell a friend we're live. If you tell a friend, tap up the screen, share the live, I will get to the 200 mark, and then I will definitely tell you who I'm supporting and why I'm supporting that individual. Why am I supporting that person? You will find out. Share the live, call a friend, tweet a friend, phone a friend, tell a friend we're live. The chopping block is back in full effect. Yes, yes, yes. Share the live. As you come in, your contribution is to share the live. Your admission to get in is sharing the live. So please tap that share button, share it to at least 13 or 15 persons so we can get this number up to what? 200. Once it gets to the 200 mark, I am going to reveal which of the two candidates in Western Westmoreland I'm going to support. Thank you for the gifts, guys. Thank you for the gifts. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. There's a big truck passing. Yes, as long as we get these numbers up to 200, I am going to tell you which of the two candidates in Western Westmoreland I'll be hitting the tarmac, I'll be hitting the ground, and I'll be hitting the ground Saturday morning. I'm not leaving Western Westmoreland until Sunday night after the victory. I'll be going down there and I'll be knocking on doors. I'll be calling all my friends who I've campaigned with. No, most of them workers don't let them know me. Fierce campaigner. Them know me. Me's a Western man. Me's a Burn Savannah man. Me's a man from up in the hills. Me know the corners. Me's a weed man. Me's a Orange Hill man. Me's a Burn Savannah man. You understand? Me's a man that come from Grange Hill too, if you ask me. What next kind of name got? Me's a Burn Savannah man. Me's a Orange Hill man. Me's a Grange Hill man. What again? Me's a Negril man. What again? Western. Eh? Delfland man. Me's a Western Westmoreland man. And I'll be down there from Saturday morning, New Hope. I'll be down there to knock on doors and to encourage persons to come out and to support one of the two candidates. Only one, not two. One of the two candidates vying to lead the Jamaica Labour Party to victory in Western Westmoreland. Will it be Dr. Garfield James or will it be Marlon Wilson? Who will it be, Gatos? Stand by. Bring us up to 200. Once we hit the 200 mark, I will definitely reveal who I'll be campaigning for and why I'll be campaigning for. but it's going to be one of the two. It could be Marlon Wilson, the sitting member of parliament who won in 2020 and took it away from the PNP who led that constituency for 30 plus years. Or will it be the newly minted Labourite, the man who came from the bowels of the PNP, Dr. Garfield James? Will it be Garfield James or will it be Moreland Wilson? Who will it be? At the end of this program, bring us up to 200, and I will reveal to you which of the two I am going to support. And when I say support, I'm not talking about capping and capping and capping and capping. I'm talking about going on the ground, starting Saturday morning, bright and early. We'll be on the ground and we'll be finding every Labour Party supporter within the space to turn on the good gatos. I'll be finding every Labourite in the space, from Orange Hill to Negril, from Negril to Sheffield, from Sheffield to Orange to the Grange Hill, from Grange Hill to Negril, from Negril to Orange Hill. Where the council come from again? Damn. But we'll be knocking on doors. We'll be in the space and we'll be talking to people and encouraging them to go out and vote. To go out and vote and to support the Jamaica Labour Party in the next upcoming general election. Who will the candidate be to beat and to deliver the ass whooping to Ian Hales? Will it be Dr. James that will deliver that kind of whoop ass? A whole crate of whip ass to Ian Hales? Will it be Dr. Garfield James or will it be Moreland Wilson? Your guess is as good as mine. If you want to know who I am going to support, tap the screen and bring the numbers up to 200. The minute it hit 200, I will tell you who I'll be supporting. And I will be down there, Gatos, Saturday morning, bright and early, knocking on doors, encouraging my friends to come out and to support one of the two candidates. Tap the screen, tell a friend, tweet a friend, phone a friend, and tell a friend we're on. We're at 7,000 likes. Bring us up to 20K. Bring us up to 20K. Quick and fast. We're at 130. We need 63 more. 63 more. And that will get us up to the 200 mark. Once we get to 200, we are going to reveal which of the two in Western Westmoreland that I'll be supporting, that I'll be endorsing, that I will campaign for, that I will use my powers in social media, limited as it is, to make sure that the people of Western Westmoreland is aware of what this individual brings to the table and why this individual is the best person to lead the team down there in Western Westmoreland. Will it be a continuation of the man who broke the PNP's spell? Or will it be Dr. the school principal, Garfield James, who came out of the bowels of the PNP and won on a JLP ticket? Only two Jamaicans I know who would have done that successfully, and that was Carl Samuda when he changed course and changed allegiance and still win over the PNP side. Well, here is Dr. James proving to us that he, whatever Carl Samuda did, he can do it better. So he won the seat. Who will it be? Who will get the nod come Sunday? That's the question I ask. Who is going to get the nod come Sunday? If you are in agreement with Dr. James and you want Dr. James to win the runoff come Sunday, let me see you put up some James in the comment section. If it is that you want the man who they say has been tested and proven, Mr. Moreland Wilson, if you want him to win on Sunday, let me see you type Moreland in the comment section. It is Moreland versus James. Come Sunday, all system goes. Please, please, everybody, share the live. Get us up to 200. We are very close. It seems like we are at 140, so we need 60 more. 60 more, and I will tell you as the rubber hits the road, I will tell you who it is that is going to win the elections and who have we supported in that regard. Yeah? But stick and stay. We will be watching the space to make sure. Yeah, let me see if we can read some comments, because the comment section. Oh, me see. Ooh, wait. Me rotted. No, man. Hold on there. Them in the bus, what I'm going to say. Now look at Moreland with over here. So, hold on. Hold on. Hold on there. Hold on there. Hold on there. We never know some serious thing going over here. So, if you are in support of Moreland Wilson, type Moreland. And if you support Dr. James, type James. So it's James versus Moreland. Oh my God, let's see. What? That one says Moreland. That one says Moreland. Oh my G. That one says James. That one says Moreland. That one says James. That one says Moreland. That one says James. That one says Moreland. That one says Moreland. That one says Moreland. That one says Moreland. Don't spam the chat. That one says James. That one says James. James. Moreland. Garfield James. Moreland. 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 What a mess thou find thyself in. Moreland. Holy moly macaroni. Is it that they're duplicating the vote, or are these Moreland leading? Moreland leading James in this conversation right here. Moreland is leading James in this conversation right here. Tap the screen, everybody. Bring us up to 200 and we will reveal who we are going to support on Sunday. And we are going to be down there to carry people. We're going to be the executive runner down there. We'll be out and stunting early in the morning. Early in the morning. Early in the morning. Voting starts at 12 o'clock and it ends at 4. So by 4:30, we will know who the standard bearer is going to be. And that is going to be a beautiful sight to behold. Share the program, everybody. Tell a friend, tweet a friend. I see a lot of persons saying Moreland, Moreland, Moreland. Yes. Yes. All right. Moreland alone and make me fly down for vote. Me rotted. No, sir. This no look good. Eh? This no look good. What me just say a while ago? Me say, me put it out as so. Who is voting? Who supports Moreland? Type Moreland in the chat. Who support James? Type James in the chat. God, who a lead? Moreland a lead in the chat. The funny thing is, this is not where the election is won. So convert this into real vote. Take it to the ballot and you will win. Right. Yes, sir. This is going to be interesting come Sunday. I will say to you, it's going to be interesting. It is going to be interesting. This is getting serious. Look like they got us up to 20. 160, 40 to go. We need that 200 mark. If you want to know who I'm going to support, make sure you share the program. Share it to at least 15 persons so we can get up to 200. Once we're up to 200, I am going to release the names of the individual who will be assigned to manage this whole what a mess. No, sir. No, sir. Living on is over. Bring us up to the 200 mark there, man. Bring us up to the 200 mark. Bring us up to the 200 mark, man. Bring us up to the 200 mark. Chuck Finlay, I see you. Sheikah, I see you.